Hi, welcome back to Breathe with Jenny. Today we are going to do a shoulder release set of exercises. We spend a lot of time here in the studio strengthening our shoulders to better prepare us for more enjoyable downward facing dogs, planks, even some of the poses that we take on our hands and knees. So today I'd like to offer a shoulder release sequence for you, which can be really lovely to do after you've done all that strengthening. So here we go. You get to lie down on your back. I usually have my knees bent and my feet on the mat. And take just a few moments to check in that your neck is relaxed, your shoulders are relaxed, feeling where your body is connecting with the earth. And once you're comfortable, raise your arms towards the ceiling. And we're going to alternate here, lifting one shoulder blade, one scapula at a time off of the mat. And we'll connect to our breath too. So we'll breathe in, lift the right shoulder blade off. Notice that my right hand is now higher than my left. Hopefully you can notice that. Breathe out, lower. Breathe in, now the left shoulder blade lifts off the ground. Breathe out, lower. Inhale, right shoulder blade off. Exhale, lower down. Inhale. Exhale, left side. So you can do that any number of times that feels good for you. Next step, we start out the same. We breathe in, lift the right shoulder blade off the mat. We breathe out, and we cross that arm over. Doesn't have to be a whole lot. Breathe in, bring it back up. Exhale, lower that shoulder blade down. Side two. Inhale, left hand, left shoulder blade off the ground. Exhale, it draws across your body. Breathe in, brings it back up. It's still lifted. Notice my left shoulder blade is still lifted. Exhale, lower down. And maybe that's all you do, or maybe that's all you have time for. You can do this in bed, although I would recommend perhaps a little bit more firm, something a little more firm underneath you. The next thing you can do, if you'd like to try, is again, bring those arms up. We're going to turn the palms towards the back of the room, or your headboard, or what have you. Bring a slight bend into your elbows. Not like this, but just a slight bend. Take a breath in, and as you exhale, start to lower your arms down towards the ground. Some folks are going to stop right here. Actually, this feels like a lot of work for me. I can go a little bit further. You decide what's good for you. And maybe you take a couple of breaths right there. Breathing in. And as you exhale, bring the arms back up. You can do that several times, or maybe once or twice is enough for you. So I'd like you to give that a try. Maybe some evening after you've done my shoulder strengthening exercises from YouTube, or of course, come to one of my classes. We do most of our strengthening work on Thursday nights at 7:30 until 8:45. And then we also throw in some slow stretching in that class. But inevitably, I throw in a strengthening exercise in my Tuesday or my Saturday class as well. And then maybe, just maybe, you'll see this shoulder release set of exercises towards the end of class. So any questions, please come find me either here on YouTube or any of my other social media accounts, or you can always contact me via the good old phone. So hope to see you soon. Thanks so much.